Use baking soda on your body and see what happens. Beyond its well-known uses in cooking and cleaning, baking soda offers many benefits for body care. This unassuming white powder can work wonders on your skin, teeth, hair, you name it. Trust me, you're going to be surprised by all the things this kitchen staple can do. So let's just dive right into the remarkable ways baking soda can transform your daily beauty routine, proving that sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest ones. Number 1. Reveal smoother skin. Imagine a gentle exfoliant that not only removes dead skin cells, but also leaves your skin feeling smooth and revitalized. That's baking soda for you. When mixed with water, it creates a paste that's perfect for exfoliating. Gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions and rinse. This not-so-secret beauty hack is ideal for those seeking a smoother, more radiant complexion. It's effective, easy, and economical, making it a must-try for anyone looking to enhance their skin's texture and tone without harsh chemicals. Number 2. Brighten your smile. Baking soda is an excellent, natural way to remove surface stains from your teeth, helping to restore their natural whiteness. Its mild abrasive properties gently polish away stains caused by coffee, tea, or smoking without damaging the enamel. Start by mixing a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste, and then brush your teeth as usual. This homemade toothpaste not only whitens teeth, but also helps neutralize harmful acids and freshen your breath. Just remember that it's best used occasionally, in conjunction with your regular dental care routine, for a brighter, healthier smile. Number 3. Stay fresh naturally. Baking soda's ability to neutralize odors extends to body odor too. You can simply pat baking soda under your arms or create a paste with a bit of water for easier application. Baking soda works by neutralizing the pH of sweat, inhibiting the growth of odor-causing bacteria. It's also free of aluminum and other harsh chemicals found in many antiperspirants, making it a safer and more environmentally friendly choice for daily use. Number 4. Soothe itchy or irritated skin. Adding this magical white powder to your bath can transform it into a soothing retreat for your skin. It's especially helpful for relieving itchy, irritated, or sunburned skin. Baking soda's mild antiseptic properties help soothe inflammation, while its alkaline nature helps balance the skin's pH level. It can also aid in detoxifying the skin, relieving tension, and promoting overall relaxation. Number 5. Brighten your nails. Your nails can also benefit from a baking soda paste. Rubbing this mixture onto your nails helps remove surface stains and restores a natural, clean appearance. It's especially useful for those who frequently use nail polish, as it can help counteract discoloration. This gentle, natural treatment not only brightens your nails, but also contributes to their overall health, leaving them looking well cared for and polished. Number 6. Pamper your feet. A baking soda foot soak is a simple yet effective way to pamper your feet. The alkalinity of baking soda helps to soften calluses and corns, making them easier to remove. Additionally, its antibacterial properties help eliminate odor-causing bacteria and can even assist in treating fungal infections like athlete's foot. Regular soaks can improve the overall health and appearance of your feet, making this a go-to solution for foot care. Number 7. Refresh your locks. Baking soda is an excellent clarifier for your hair. Adding a teaspoon to your shampoo can help remove excess oil, dirt, and product buildup, leaving your hair clean and refreshed. This treatment is particularly beneficial for those who use styling products regularly, as it helps maintain the natural balance of the scalp and hair. It's a great way to ensure your hair stays healthy and free from residue. However, because of its stripping properties, it should be used sparingly to avoid over-drying your hair. Number 8. Soothe razor burn. For those with sensitive skin, razor burn can be a real nuisance. Baking soda comes to the rescue as a soothing remedy. Applying a paste of baking soda to affected areas can calm irritation and reduce redness. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the skin, providing relief from discomfort and promoting healing. This natural solution is a gentle alternative to chemical-laden aftershaves and lotions. Number 9. Combat breakouts. For those struggling with acne, baking soda can be a gentle and natural treatment option. Its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the occurrence of breakouts. By applying a paste of baking soda and water directly to acne spots, you can help dry out blemishes and reduce inflammation. This treatment is best used occasionally, as overuse can disrupt the skin's natural acid mantle, leading to more skin issues. Always follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Number 10. Remove odors from hands. Keep your hands soft and odor-free with a baking soda paste. This mixture not only softens the skin, but is also effective in removing strong smells like garlic, onion, or fish. It's an excellent solution for cooks and gardeners, or anyone needing a quick, natural way to rejuvenate their hands. All in all, incorporating baking soda into your body care routine unlocks a world of natural, effective, and affordable beauty solutions. From smoothening skin to freshening your breath, this common kitchen ingredient offers a range of surprising benefits. It's a testament to the power of simple, natural ingredients to enhance our daily lives. Give these tips a try and experience the transformative effects of baking soda on your body and well-being. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.